trust the process of life. I am safe. I release the pattern in me that created this. I am at peace. I am worthwhile. I love and approve of myself. I am loving and lovable. I now discover how wonderful I am. I choose to love and enjoy myself. I live in the now. Each moment is new. I choose to see my self-worth. I love and approve of myself. I deserve to rejoice in life. I accept all the pleasure life has to offer. I am completely open to life and to joy. I choose to see with love. I am love. I now choose to love and approve of myself. I see others with love. I love and approve of myself. I give myself permission to go ahead. It's safe to move. I trust the process of life. All I need is always taken care of. I am safe. I release the past. I am free to move forward with love in my heart. I love and approve of myself. Life supports and loves me. There is time and space for everything I need to do. I am at peace. I calm my thoughts and I am serene. I comfortably and easily release the old and welcome the new in my life. I am safe.